What's up, guys, and welcome to this week's episode of We Are the Bonsai Supply. I am Jerome, and today we welcome a very special guest. So this is Ed Trout, and this is Betty. I acquired this tree from Ed Trout several years ago. So Ed here is going to tell us a little bit about the history of the tree, where it came from, how old it is, and some characteristics.
This is a Gardenia radicans. And the history of this tree is it came from a private collection in Mississippi. It was purchased by Miami Tropical, and I bought it from them. What year? I don't know. Late 90s, I guess. A while ago. And I grew it in my backyard for a long time. It's even in the same pot that I bought it in, so it's really done well here. It's gotten a lot bigger. It's a Gardenia radicans. They flower profusely. If you look a little closer, and you probably will a little later in the photographs and in the video, these trees are usually grafted onto a citrus stock because they suffer from a nematode problem if you try to put them in ground soil. So they tend to graft them onto citrus stock to make them healthier. And sometimes you get an ugly result where it's grafted on. So this is where it's at right here, but Jerome has done a really good job of hiding that.
Okay, so I was thinking about shortening the tree, but at the same time, I was also thinking of just lifting the skirt a little bit.
Just this one and then lift it up. Yeah, keep it for now, and then you can always take it off.
Reduce this, right? You'll reduce the size of.
Yeah, you're gonna keep this front.
Only if you have it right to the side.
Let me read into the tree from this angle. You really can't see the trunk line from that front. Actually, wire over underneath this other one and bring it back to finish underneath the center of the pot, as most true cascades are supposed to finish. You always want the apex of the cascade to finish underneath the center of the pot if possible. This tree has no apex up here. The apex is actually down there.
Here's what we're going to do to this tree. So we're going to reduce mostly everything on the canopy. We're going to bring it back in, and we're going to put a little more shape into the tree. This is going to stay the front. It has been the front for the last however long probably you had it, right? So we're going to keep this as the front. We're going to try to hide this and just shrink the pads a little more, and then bring this branch up to compact the whole canopy a little bit. we just finished the tree. I think it looks great. We adjusted the front a little bit as well. We repotted the tree, and we just brought the whole tree back in. Just by the way, Ed Trout and Betty, they're going to be here every Sunday now. Betty speaks Spanish, by the way, and Ed Trout is going to teach all of the beginner classes on Sundays in the morning, and in the afternoon, he's going to start to take private appointments. So if you would like to sign up for the beginner class or the private appointments, please go to the website and check it out. Alright, so this is it for today. Thank you so much, Ed and Betty, for helping me out today. And please make sure to subscribe and comment below. And
We hope to see you soon.